Quick skin truth, your pores do not actually get bigger with age. They just get clogged. So between makeup, sweat, everyday life, everything builds up inside your pores. And that is what makes our skin have uneven texture and make it look older than it is. And I see this in my own house too. I have two girls. We all have completely different skin, but we all deal with the same issue, and that is clogged pores. One of the easiest swaps we've made, and that is the Norwex Cleansing Powder. This is step 2 in my routine right after I use the Norwex face cloth to remove all of my makeup. And honestly, this right here is where the magic happens. Most cleansers are filled with water and harsh ingredients that strip your skin. This one is totally different. It is a waterless powder that activates when you add water. So you get a fresh, gentle cleanse every single time. It cleanses your skin without stripping it, and that is huge, especially for teens and tweens dealing with oil and hormonal breakouts, but also for busy moms who want a simple and effective skincare routine and aging skin that needs support and not stress. It actually helps support your skin barrier and microbiome while it cleanses. And not just women, it's for men too. Guys need to cleanse their skin as well. So here's why we love it in our house. It gently exfoliates, it smooths texture without irritation. It is that deep pore cleanse. It removes makeup, oil, sweat, and buildup. It supports your healthy skin with prebiotics and antioxidants. It has enzymes. It is safe for your skin. It is dermatologist tested and EWG verified. And with regular use, people saw smoother, clearer skin in just 1 week. Let's check it out.
Pour about a quarter size of the cleansing powder into your wet hand and then add a little bit more water. And then rub your hands together to emulsify. You want this mixture to be silky and not milky. I say this because you do not want it to be white. You want it to be more clear. Then rub it into your skin. Pay special attentions to those hormonal breakout areas, any area that you have more problems with. Then you're going to grab your body cloth, wet with just water, and wipe off all of the cleansing powder until your skin is completely clean and dry.
So what I love most is this works for my entire family. My 13-year-old uses this for keeping her skin clean and balanced. It helps with those hormonal breakouts. My 18-year-old loves how smooth her skin is. Of course, it has a natural glow. And for me, I love how it keeps my skin fresh and not dull and tired. The prebiotics, the enzymes, and the probiotics still hydrate my skin. That's something that I need, right, is aging skin. And it also works for my husband. It is literally a win-win all around product, all ages, all skin types. Refillable packaging. This is the bottle that you keep. You refill with this. You save $10 on your cart with each refill. Expect this to last you about a year with constant use. So something that is very simple, effective, and good for your skin. This is it. Clean skin does not need to be complicated. Just be consistent. Cleanse your skin every day with a body cloth and then follow up with the cleansing powder. For myself, I only need the cleansing powder every few days. I do not need it all the time. My daughters, they need the cleansing powder twice a day because their skin is more hormonal. So you get to decide what you need. Message me. Let me know where your skin is at. If you find that your skin is more up and down, you're going through more hormonal breakouts, you may need to have the cleansing powder more frequently until your skin starts to normalize. I've been using the body cloth on its own for 10 years. So adding in the cleansing powder was an extra step. Those enzymes, the prebiotics was all my skin needed to just every few days to add that extra hydration and to support my skin's microbiome. Another thing about the enzymes and prebiotics, this can be used other places. So especially for the teenage girls and boys, you can take this and apply it under the armpits and different parts of the body. So this is EWG verified. It is safe to use anywhere on your body, and it is going to help naturally break down odors and again support your skin's good microbiome. So when you are feeding the good bacteria on your skin, you are fighting the bad bacteria, which is where the smells come from. So compare this with our prebiotic deodorant. It is all you need for a cleaner, safer skin. Let me know if you have any questions. So simple and easy, something that is sustainable and affordable and that the whole family can use. Let me know if you have any questions.